Wolves. My name is Maddie, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things College Academy. Here's what is happening from October 13th to October 19th. Starting off this week, Monday, October 14th, school will be closed in observance of Indigenous Peoples Day, Columbus Day, and Italian Heritage Day. Tuesday, October 15th, there will be Hispanic Heritage Month rehearsals in the theater from 3:35 to 4:30, as well as a family bowling night athletics fundraiser from 5:45 to 7:45 at FunFest Mill Basin Bowl. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, there will be High School Spirit Week rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35. Thursday, October 17th, we will be hosting District 27 Discovery Day, meaning there will be open classrooms for observation. Finally, Friday, October 18th, will be a student government-sponsored dress down day. Please be sure to follow our dress down day codes policy and enjoy your day. And that's it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. I am Maddie, and I'll see you next time.